The BJP has approached the Election Commission on the issue of booth capturing in states like Uttar Pradesh and in West Bengal. Now, the BJP is urging the Election Commission here to take action, but the Samajwadi Party has denied BJP's booth capturing claims, and they're assuring that enough security has been provided.
A day after Modi dared the poll commission in his rally in Asansol.
क्या इलेक्शन की जिम्मेवारी नहीं है? ये शांतिपूर्ण चुनाव हो, रिगिंग ना हो, मार काट ना हो.
The BJP delegation headed towards the Election Commission to raise the issue of poll rigging in several states.
ये बूथ कैप्चरिंग और विशेष रूप से साइलेंट बूथ कैप्चरिंग की व्यवस्था एक बार पुनः आरंभ हुई है. विशेष रूप से पश्चिम बंगाल में और उत्तर प्रदेश में. चुनाव आयोग को इन दो फेजेस में इस साइलेंट बूथ कैप्चरिंग की व्यवस्था को रोकने के लिए पूरा प्रयास करना चाहिए.
The Congress too voicing its dissent over the issue of booth capturing and demanding repolling in certain constituencies in West Bengal.
Around 1,800 booths were rigged, but unfortunately no repolling order has yet been given.
But the SP is not taking these allegations lying down, assuring that adequate security has been provided during the elections.
जितना बजा हुआ पैरामिलिट्री फोर्स है वो सब लगा हुआ है. इसके बाद भी अगर ये संतुष्ट नहीं है तो मेरी तो ये राय होगी इलेक्शन कमीशन को कि मोदी जी से पूछे और गुजरात की पुलिस को लाके यहाँ लगा दे.
Alleged incidents of booth rigging is certainly becoming a debating point for all the political parties. But whether the Election Commission, which has so far been toothless, cracks down or not will have to be seen. Bureau Report, Times Now.